Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday to each and every one of you. Today is the 20th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are Greta and Georgia. Georgia, what's your good thing?
My blanket.
Your blanket. Greta, what's your good thing?
TV.
TV. All right, go away. Okay, I have some good things that you guys shared with me last week on the attendance form. One is extra sleep. That's a great thing. Please do that. That's good for you. Turn off the TV. Pause. Another is Rubik's Cube. Lots of food. I've got fruit, chicken nuggets, Gatorade. Dance classes. Very good thing. Jogging. And Pee Wee Herman. That one surprised me. So if you don't know who Pee Wee Herman is, maybe Google that or something. So we'll have a short video for today. Today is Monday, which means it is a social studies day or history day. So we've completed good things. I would like you to finish your chapter 11.3 notes. Remember that my notes are available to you on Haiku. I can show that to you right here. If you go to my main Haiku page, go down here to chapter 11, the Renaissance. It's moving very slowly, but you've got the text, Walking Jeopardy questions, and notes right there. So I want you to finish your notes. You can confer with my notes as well. And then you're going to do a Kahoot. The link to the Kahoot is right here in the assignment guide. I'll send you the assignment guide along with this video. And you click on that link. And there you go. I will be checking to make sure that you complete this. So make sure that the nickname you choose is a name that I'll recognize as you. And that those nicknames are also school appropriate. Also remember to fill out the attendance form. And that is it for today. Stay happy and healthy. Get out of the house and get some activity. It's good for you. Bye-bye.